welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your joystick bigger, stronger, and also to last long. Yes guys, this remedy is very natural, 100% natural. There is no side effect at all. You don't have to be scared because you are going to be making it yourself at home within 5 minutes. You are done making it. So before we jump into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up the video, and drop a comment. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That bell is very important so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Firstly, we are going to be needing onion. Just one onion will be enough. If you don't have this red one, you can make use of the white onion, but this one is more preferable because it's more active. So guys, as we already know, onions is known as the greatest aphrodisiac food. It helps to increase the libido and also strengthen the reproductive organs. It helps in increasing the sexual stamina. Onions can be eaten raw or in juice form, just the way I'm going to be showing you, the method I'm going to be doing now. The juice is bitter and you should just sip it slowly so that it don't shock your system. So I'll just go ahead and cut the onions into smaller pieces so that it will be easy to blend. You should consume this remedy I'm doing right now 3 times a week for more effective results. Then I'll just go ahead and transfer into the bowl. The second ingredient that we're going to be using is ginger. Ginger helps to enhance and protect your joystick and helps to boost your performance. Eating ginger elevates your heart rates, gets your blood flowing, and gets you excited for the night ahead. So now I'll just go ahead and peel the skin. This remedy is really effective. It's very good because it will help you a lot. It will help you gain that bigger joystick you want, help you to enlarge it, and also help your performance. I'm just trying to peel off the skin and cut off that part that is not good. Now I'll just go ahead and whisk it. You can see I'll just go ahead and cut into smaller pieces, just like this. So it will be so easy to blend. Next, I will just transfer into the bowl where the onions is. The next ingredient is garlic. Garlic can do wonders to your joystick. Garlic has always been seen as a miracle herbs that heal the body organs. It normalizes the blood flow towards your joystick. Now just go ahead and peel off the skin because I'm not going to use all of them. I need just 2 pieces of it. Okay. Now just go ahead and peel the skin off, the dry skin, just like this. I'm going around. After peeling, I'll just go ahead and wash it. Let's go ahead and wash it. Okay guys, you can see it's clean. I've washed the garlic. Now just go ahead and cut into smaller pieces, just like this. Next is for me to transfer into the bowl. Okay guys, you can see right now it's ready. Now I will just go ahead and turn it into the blender so that I can blend all of them together. But firstly, before I start blending, I have to add water because we need the juice, so I have to add water to it. Okay guys, I'll be right back after blending to show you how it look like. So guys, this is it after blending. As you can see inside the blender, you see it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and filter it. This is this. These are the parts you don't need. After you filter, you just have to throw that one away. You don't need it. Then I'll just go ahead and transfer into my glass cup. You see how beautiful it is. The color is so attractive. Wow, it's so attractive. Wow. Guys, as I told you before, the juice is bitter. You just have to sip it slowly so that it don't shock your system. If you want to drink it, you have to sip it slowly. So guys, the next thing is to add my honey to it. Well, honey is good, so it will also give it good taste. Honey is also rich in vitamin B. It provides a slow and steady release of energy, so rolling over and falling asleep will not be an option. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of honey to it. Then I'll just go ahead and stir it so all of them can mix together, just like this. Can you see how it look? Make sure you stir very well, just like the way I'm doing right now. Wow, looks so fine. You see? Please, when you want to sip it, you have to take it easy, slowly, so that it don't shock your system. Guys, don't rush it when you want to drink it, and make sure you consume this 3 times a week for effective results. Okay guys, that will be the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up the video. Bye bye.